Nice hotel. Nice hotel.
Okay, now I finally catch Mark and him. I gotta pick up something that's very important. All right, y'all.
What's up, man?
What's happening, man? I'm tired. I got some rest though. But
Yeah.
you know, we running late as usual.
Yeah,
But we be all right.
Yeah, we be all right.
We tired. We've been traveling all around Oklahoma.
Yeah, Durant. There you go. We got Dre putting it down this morning right here. Yeah. That time.
Yeah, man.
Always.
What's happening?
Yes.
What's happening?
Yeah, Andre
Mr.
Williams.
Flipper.
Yep. Sound check. Yes, indeed. Our last day in Oklahoma.
We head out from here and go back. April 22nd, Detroit Pistons halftime show. Know what Hammer's doing. The day after that, some stuff in May. But I'm pretty sure some more stuff is gonna come up. But this is sound check time. Pleasure Ellis as usual. Yeah, who's up behind me? It's not Mark. He's coming though.
We back. Keep on passing me by.
That show, man, we gonna hit them hard tonight for real.
Yeah. Right. Big Mike right there. He put it down too. Take a mark, yeah. Dressed. Take myself, not you.
Yeah, pineapple just got my throat itching.
Mark, come on, man. Tell me what happened, man. What it's backstage? What's going on
I'm
backstage?
here, and it's hammer time.
Oh yeah.
We are going to do it.
Oh yeah.
And hit them hard. Yeehaw.
That's that, Mark. All right.